Hello there, doing something a little bit different today. Thought I'd show you my 2007 Triumph Bonneville with Watsonian Squire Grand Prix sidecar attached. Rather a nice outfit this. Has raked forks, few extra performance modifications so that the bike can haul the load. Goes really well, it's really fun to ride. Anyway, today I've just shot a little bit of video of the first ride of the season. I thought I'd show that to you. If it's not your kind of thing, just skip over this. I'm not going to make a habit of doing these, but I just thought it'd be fun. I bought a new camera to improve what I shoot in the shop, and I thought I'd stick it on the side of my helmet and just go for a ride. So that's all it is. Enjoy it, enjoy my rig, and have fun. Taking it really easy today because there's a lot of this kind of crap around. It's been a while since I've been out. Power through the bend on a sidecar as you come out. Tends to sit the chair down a little bit. Right hand bends, that is. Completely different to a solo motorcycle. Braking will cause the sidecar to want to go past you and swing you left. Accelerating, the drag of the sidecar will pull you right. That's for a right hand mounted sidecar. It's the opposite if it's mounted UK style. Person well clear. Efficient, jolly good. A beautiful day. Nice and easy. Car still behind. Plenty of space though. There we are, people at the waterway. Good fun. Parking lot, so follower is going the other way, so that's awesome. Use the brake to swing the chair to the left a bit. Works great. Got to get back into these habits. I hardly rode at all last year. Going for ice cream or burger, I don't know. Whatevs. Ooh, classic car. Trike. Beating them to it, so no problem. Side of a car, no, they're parked. No one turning, no one coming here. Turning, he's changing his mind, no. Nothing coming here. Popo. That's alright.